Hello friends and teachers, my name is Chee. I'm from the 3BM. My matrix number is Candy 20F01. Today I'm show the working that I take a skill that I use for the particular work tool for the drawing. So now here is the diagram that I drew just for the lab 2 work lah. So now we need to use a circle and type diameter or the radius. So first of all, we need to draw a circle first. Make sure the center is open. Yes. Then draw the circle. Draw the circle in any way. Then with diameter, we choose the largest one is 58. Can cut 58. Then here was the circle. Then we need to for another circle in the center here. We drew as 36. So cut 36 lah. Then for the figure of circle has diameter is 8. So I add lah. Then ESC and then the polar form. Use the polar array. Then I create on the center, and you can choose the number lah. I say we need to X circle here, so hit the X circle. Then here is for the part that I draw here. Then for the another one, I just use the skill of mirror here. I just highlight, I just press the mirror and highlight all. Okay, draw the line first in the center with 49. Then I just use the mirror. Okay. So just highlight first, mirror. Then use the mirror skill for drawing. Then just now I have 10. Select an object. Then mirror the just now I have deleted. Okay, let's try again. First, select the object and press mirror. Enter. And then we'll have a picture lah. Like this lah. Then here was the circle that I make. Then the circle in the middle of the center will also 36 lah. If the mirror is not completed. So like this. Then for the for this one, this line, I'm using the same method lah. First of all, here was a line of the 40 here, so here line the center is 40 and another 40 here lah. Press line, here middle of center of 2 line. Then 40 is 40 lah. Then is 20 for the first of all is 20, so the radius at the center is 20 here lah. Then for another circle is 22 for diameter. And then we'll have a circle here. So first of all, we use the tangent radius. First of all, tap here and tap another, and then have to specific point lah. And then we need to is 15, right? So tangent radius, you type 2 point, and then type the specific circle is radius for circle is 15. And then here also tangent for 2 point. One is here, one is here. The specific angle is 15. Then we need to string, and you will get the like this lah. Get another part. For another part of here is also like that. For the same method lah. Also tangent and string the circle here. But here we'll be using the line to pull up. For example, like here, I will. For example, that I use here, you need to use the perpendicular, tangent, and the nearest. Let's say I'm using a line and pull a line to here. Just like this lah. Because of if like this, I try streaming on for the example like here. So we use the line and then because we need to close the quadrant, and do then we continue for our part here. So we need to do the circle here is like radius diameter is 16, and then the radius is 20 at the center. And for now we need to do is because of here, so we need to use the line connect to here. And check the setting, tangent is open, intersection is open, and then endpoint. So we start now. Like this, and then we will stream it on. Like this, you stream it on, and then for the next connection will be the same. Then after that, we'll use the skill that I use that we mentioned now. So use the dimension, and then like this, 58, and then like this. And for the circle of the dimension, we use like this. The radius here will be like this lah. First of all, like a radius of 20. No, for the radius here, like radius of 20 will like this, and take the radius up lah. And the diameter of egg 16 will like this lah. And then all the skill get used is here. So for the color here, so we use the compute and the take, and then for the for the setting here of the diameter, you can set like this, many part lah, modify, and then the text and the content will be for you highlighted and then come to dimension here lah. So for the For the layer, so we use the layer property, create a new file and the dimension lah. And then this the skill for and then this is to change the color. Like we need to change the dimension. So I specify the diameter and radius. So the specified is dimension for the diameter lah. So here is the skill that I use for the drawing here. Thank you.